In this video, I will show you how to factory reset your Logitech G305 X SUPERLIGHT mouse. Okay, so let's start with the connections. Unfortunately, we cannot reset the connections on our mouse. We can simply reconnect it to another device, either using our Lightspeed dongle by connecting it to another PC, or you can just re-enable Bluetooth pairing and pair it to another device, and the first connection will be reset. Now, as for the mouse settings that we can set up in the G-Hub application, if you want to reset your onboard memory, so the onboard presets of your mouse, you have to open the G-Hub application, go to your mouse settings. To do that, open your mouse menu, then open device settings right here, go to onboard mode, enable the onboard mode, and then restore all profile slots to default. And this will reset all the settings saved within your mouse. Now, if you want to reset the customization settings like custom assignments and LightSync and presets and DPI presets, if you did all of this on your default profile, will not be able to reset these settings directly. If you did it on a separate profile, you can simply remove it. You can back it up by clicking this three-dot icon next to it and selecting backup, and then you can simply delete it. But in case of our default profile, if you just want to delete this profile, you can of course back it up. Before you do so, then we're gonna have to close the G-Hub application. Then we have to right click the taskbar and go to Task Manager. Then here we're gonna have to disable all the processes related to G-Hub, like Crashpad Handler, G-Hub, and LG Hub Agent and LG Hub Updater. Okay, now that we're done, we're gonna have to open the File Explorer. And in the File Explorer, we're gonna have to go to the C, Disk, Users, then our current user. And then here, we should be able to see the AppData folder. And if you don't see it, open your Start menu and search for folder settings. You will find File Explorer options right here. Open this tool, go to the View tab, Show Hidden Files. Make sure to hit the circle next to this option and then click Apply. Okay, now go to AppData Local, and then here you'll find the LG Hub. And here simply erase all of these settings. Select them, delete. After that, reopen your Logitech G-Hub, and this will reset your G-Hub application entirely. Okay, so yeah, I accidentally also changed the language, but doesn't really matter. We can easily switch it back to English. And now if we go to our mouse, as you can see, it's fully reset. So in the assignments, we don't have any custom ones anymore. And in DPI, we have default settings without any custom presets. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.